1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. All right, 1, 2, 1, 2. How's the audio? Mic check, mic check. 1, 2, 1, 2. Audio should be good. Audio good. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Audio good. Sorry, chat. I don't know. That's the thing with technology, is nothing changed from yesterday to today, but everything peaking to bits here. But yeah, we back. Just give me 1 second. Yeah, alrighty. Apologies, Chad. Still sound, yeah, it sounds a little bit twangy in my ear, but that's fine. As long as we've got you guys on here, that is completely fine. We still have some time, 7 minutes before the open. I'm gonna do my quick analysis here right now. Sounds very, very weird in my ear. Let's see if a little bit more music. All right, guys. Sorry, man. Apologies. A little bit of a technical issue here this afternoon, but we're back. We're back. All right, guys. Quick one. Dollar index obviously coming back massively after that retail sales release. As mentioned, it's going to be a goodie this week. Also, first time coming back to retest that level we've been speaking about. And if you've been in the analysis since the start of the week, we did mention we want to come back to retest this 200 EMA. We also said we want to see a pullback. So if you go back, Friday's analysis, yesterday's analysis, we were expecting some type of a pullback. We got that. Sorry, beautiful. So is this part of a deeper pullback? I don't know, but I can say that this was a massive jump to the upside. So going forward, going into this session, there's that 200 daily MA, and just for this session, there's that key level. So very simple, daily R2. I think once we hold above here, the dollar could start to run to the upside. Otherwise, if we reject here, things are going to the short side. Very simple. US30. We've talked about it in the daily breakdown this morning. We are bullish, Chad. We are bullish. I said nothing. Again, who took somebody, I think Ed. I think Ed took those cheat codes. Oh no. Daddy. Jeez, somebody took my cheat codes here. Anyways. Who took it? Somebody took it. Anyways, Chad, we said that the trend is more likely to continue than to reverse. These were the levels I was talking about this morning when I said if you can hold out of this zone, and then obviously that 200 EMA, we can go bullish. So US30 for the rest of the session, very interesting. Only thing you need to consider now is this previous daily high. That's your key level. And then if it comes back all the way to your Asia range, you need to monitor Asia highs. But this is looking a little bit clunky now going into the rest of the session. NASDAQ daily, we spoke about it. We are bullish now to potentially go and fill this range. This is a daily range that we are in. If you go to the 4 hour, you would see that we are at this weekly pivot. So I think as soon as we break out of this weekly pivot, things can really start getting juicy to the upside. Otherwise, things are going to start looking more to the downside. So price very well behaved, still within this Asia range. So still stuck within this Asia range. I'm going to say once we get above this level, Chad, then I think NASDAQ is gone today. After testing, holding weekly pivot, Asia lows, it couldn't reject it, actually closed above. So very simple now. This little graph I've drawn there becomes relevant. All right, very, very simple there. We've got 3 minutes left. Gold. All right, gold doing a little bit of a number here today. Daily, as mentioned, I'm bullish while we're above 24.26. All right. If you want to make a mark, put a reminder on this level, Chad. Once we hit that level, you can almost put a buy stop there now. Forget about it. Set your TP maybe $5 to $10 above. Once we get here, you're gonna see what happens. Make a note. Put a buy stop there. Just hope that it doesn't trigger overnight. But anyways, Chad. Gold for me, beautiful. Look at this. We always talk about this Asia high retest. Gold took literally almost the entire day to come back to retest it. Look at that 200. If you've been in the sessions, Chad, who's been taking notes on the 200? All right. When I said you can literally make a living trading gold just using the 200 EMA. I'm going to put it out again for you, and maybe it sinks in. Maybe you think, this guy with his shiny forehead and his oily hair, he doesn't know shit about trading. But I'm going to tell you once again, the 200 EMA on the 15 and the 5 minute on gold. Take notes, go back. I'm not saying you need to do what I do. Go back, figure it out for yourself. But the 200 EMA is something that you can use, all right? Even if you've been watching these streams for 12 months, however long, and the only thing you go away with is Chris mentioned the 200 EMA, great, all right? 80 is still bullish. 80 is still looking solid. In terms of the grids, what are we doing on the grids? We've got this monthly R2 level where we took our trade this morning. Stunning trade. Unfortunately, the stream cut out. Can't do anything about that. Now my question becomes very similar to yesterday when Keegan traded gold. Is two things here. If we can hold 24.35, I'm looking for the buys, but then the aggressive buys are above here, and this is where that liquidation move can happen. Similar to yesterday's move when you guys traded with Keegan, yesterday's daily high was this line here. That was basically Friday's daily high. So again, it's setting up with a nice big pullback. It's holding above the 200, and look at what it did. So can we expect something similar here today? If you look left, is this maybe a replay of what we saw here, Chad? So that is the thinking. That could be the case, and I'm still looking long. All right, we're just gonna wait for the open. Markets are open and in motion. Ding 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 ding. Round one. No, not round one. What am I? It's Tuesday. It's round 4. Fight. All right. So we can potentially get that where this thing's going to run. Previous daily highs. So 2 boxes here for us. Actually, yeah, that box there. And we've got this box here. Trade taken this morning. Unfortunately, if you weren't part of Project G, you definitely... Unless you took notes, I said I wanted the retest. This was literally this morning. Go watch the last end. But yeah, that trade was shared as per the trading bot. We entered the trade there. That was where the buy got activated there. And that is, we moved stops to break even. And that is when the trade closed out. So beautiful. Every single trade we take goes into this trade alert section for you to follow. So make use of that. Exclamation G if that is something that you want. Every single trade on the second. If I press the buy button, you get notified. If I move my stop, you get notified. If I phone my wife, you get notified. I'm kidding. You don't get notified about that. Kicks, I did open up the markets here for you, but I just need to check here so that we don't blast everyone's ears. This is 0.38. Just to go back to Keegan, 0.38. Keegs, give me a 1, 2, 1, 2.
Oh, 1, 2, 1, 2.
There we go. Just move your price tab slightly to the right, and then it's your session.
All right, brother.
There we go.
To the left.
To the right, to the right, yeah, to the right, not to the left, to the right. To the left, to the left.
All right, I'm with you. I'm with you.
If you're from Cape Town, to the left, to the left. Everyone to the left. All right, that's me done. Sorry. That is me done.
Yeah.
Brazana Manana.
I'm just watching ya. Sheesh. Bro, you might have to take a trade now anyway. I'm going to see ya. You might even be taking a trade.
Did you poop now?
Huh?
Did you go and poop now? Or?
I had to, bro.
Really?
I had to.
Really? Did you go stump life?
Had to, bro.
Knock out a little stumpy there.
Just had to let it go. That
Are you
thing was
for real now?
Bro, I promise you.
Did you go
Drop and go, bro.
Yeah, still young little stump life.
Alright. Okay, Chad, that is me. I am in now. Wait, let me put it on a thing.
Voice of an angel. Are you selling?
I'm selling, bro. That is what the signal is telling me.
Are you doing 1-to-1s now?
No, I'm just trying to find this thing.
Get it in here. Okay.
Okay.
Right, there we go. There we go.
For me, we're on the candle closure. There we go.
30 points.
Yeah, we are just trying to get everything together here for you, Chad.
Okay.
Why does that 1 minute look so big there? Hey, am I cooked in the head yet?
What's that? Oh, you're on the 1 minute.
Bro, you know why? Because I'm on the bloody dollar chart. I was like, something's not making sense here, bro.
Jeez. Is it still a sell though?
Yeah, it still is a sell.
Okay.
Sheesh. I think that's literally going to hit stop now though.
Oh, Chad, that's are you still in? Sure. Talk about sure.
I'm literally still in, bro. Oh my word, Chad.
Okay, is that a 1 to 2? Yo, it looks so tiny. Is that the 5? Damn.
That's a 1, bro.
Is that the 1 minute?
That's a 1, bro.
Yeesh. Luckily it was quick. I don't.
Sheesh.
Okay, let's see. Previous daily high. I think it's ready to. The moisture content is high in your Chad. The boys sweat a little bit. Chad, y'all, we big shout out to our boy Ed. Ed's spending most of the day here as we map out the 24-hour stream. Really wanna thank Ed. Again, somebody, not even you don't ask him anything. He's just like, yeah. You say, oh bro, we're struggling this or that, and then he's like, bro, I'm here. So big shout out to Ed. We're gonna push his channel as well for that 24-hour stream, Forex Insights SA.
Yo, Chad, are we gonna get another TP here today? Let's see. Is this thing gonna fight us?
Alrighty. Let me see the chat here while I wait. Oh, there's Forex Insights SA. Just yeah, Ed, thanks so much, my brother. Even though I sometimes say it, sometimes I don't say it, but again, it is truly. I really appreciate it. Ed is one of the guys that will help you without wanting anything in return. A lot of people in life do things to advance themselves where it's purely transactional. There's only one winner. With Ed, it's a case of he Yeah, Ed Legend. Shot my brother. I'm in gold buys. Alright, I'm in nothing now. I'm waiting for my levels to get tickled.
I'm waiting for the levels to get tickled, bro.
Once those levels get tickled, I will start tickling the buy or sell.
I think there we go, guys.
Already.
There's the stop. There we go. So the R&D taking a loss here today. Yeah, guys, I was running around here. So before people, you guys all know, if you are being around here, that is the R&D trade. Apologies, I am putting up late. I was running around here like crazy. But that is the R&D taking a loss today.
R&D 0. Yeah, chat. 24-hour stream. Really a lot of work going into it. A lot of thought going into it. So please do support that. Keep your donos for the day. Remember, the goal is 1,000 blankets. 1,000 blankets. Can we do it? And I say we because it's not just us. We obviously also going to donate, but it's a collective effort. If you've got R5 to give, you can give it. I almost sound now like I'm starting a ministry. You maybe have $5 to give. You maybe have $1,000 to give. But it's all about reaching deep into your pocket and giving that dollar. All right, Chad. Gold, as mentioned. Are we gonna get? Are we gonna get the same play as yesterday? What Keegan took, and then just guys. So yeah, the JSE trade hitting take profit just a couple of minutes earlier. So that he didn't take profit, but we'll do at the end of the month.
What did yesterday was?
We'll go through. Keegs, I'm just gonna switch to my screen real quick. Just wanna chat about gold here. Chad, remember we talked about this level here. So if we can, I don't know if we are gonna get a retest
you also want
here.
a coffee there, bro?
I would love. Oh, you're gonna wrestle them for coffee. That's the one I'm looking at, Chad, and then also, yeah, look at NASDAQ, as I mentioned there. A little bit juicy, a little bit juicy. Gold is ready. Oof. Gotta wait that 5 minutes. We already took a beautiful win here this morning. So, no need to rush it, Chad. No need to rush it. One thing I do want to do is I do want to set an alert at this level. Oh, this is a big level. If you want to, Chad, you can set buy stops on that level. But just be careful. I wouldn't keep it overnight, just purely due to roll over spreads. But maybe if we hit that level here, you're going to see a massive capitulation move. So, okay, there's it. I just want to set some alerts there for myself. That is where, what is this? Settings, horizontal array. No. Crossing. You're gonna see some beautiful. That's the all-time highs, Chad. ATH. Okay, there we go. ATH. What do you know about that ATH strategy? This thing is ready to hurt some short sellers. Some guys are gonna drop into my DMs again tonight. Chris, when do you think this thing will sell? Because I've been selling since yesterday's high. Yeah. And then I'm like, bro, go watch that video we did on Sunday. Yeah, Chad, we've got a... can't even see it. Yeah, playlist. Yeah, chat there. So in that call for the Project G guys, they were in this call on Sunday, unlisted. They know exactly what is crack-a-lacking here. Go and rewatch it if you didn't watch it. A lot of gems. Many years of getting clapped. Sheesh. Okay, Keegs, I'll wait back to you, my brother.
Perfect, bro.
I'm going long on gold if 1 hour closes. All right, Nila, I like it. Yeah, I'm just gonna wait. I'm not gonna force anything here. I literally brought my FTMO account back to life.
You can take a shot at the longs now.
No, not now. 24.50. I'm actually gonna set buy stops there. 24. Yeah, chat. So I'm just setting buy stops here. As I mentioned, I'm expecting if we go through that all-time high level, you're gonna. I don't know if somebody's traded all-time highs yet, but it's quite something to behold. It is something spectacular. All right. Oh, sorry, it's on.
I'm just thinking now. I was like, cause if
sorry, I've got a buy stop here, Keeks.
I go for it, bro.
Chat. So I've got buy stops there purely because that's the all-time high level. Yeah, I'm gonna be very aggressive on this. I might hit it all the way to 24.59. All right. So buy stops there, not activated yet. Kindly, thank you so much. Kindly note, it is a risky play. But I've seen it so many times. So, well, not so many times. Like, how many times do you hit all-time high buy stops? Sorry, Keeks, just want to share this.
No, go for it, bro. Go for it.
This is me being very aggressive. Buy stops not activated. Okay, so I'm just letting you guys know. Sorry, I think somebody this morning said we do not give out clear price. So that price is 24.50.142. Stops are 24.47.105, and then TPs will be set at 24.59.70. Okay, Keeks, over to you, my brother.
Perfect, brother. Yeah, I'm just watching this flipping US30 run. As remember, guys, keep in mind we are bullish. The thing was bullish. We called that the whole time. The only reason I took the sells, remember, guys, it's a mechanical strategy. So there's things I look out for, which basically signal me what I'm looking for. So again, it's breaking out. So for example, a perfect explanation for I broke this down on Monday or last week. We spoke about it a bit. I don't think the mechanical approach doesn't work nicely when you're going to transition from a ranging market to a breakout market. So the day of the transition is most likely the day you get clapped. If we are trending the whole time, but when it goes from that to that, I know on a daily it just looks like straight one way, but when you start dropping down and you see these type of things over here, if we get caught in the moment over here, for example, there you can see it works beautifully. But when you get caught in this over there with the trade, you're going to get clapped, or a lot of the time at that end result. So just part and parcel with it. Still very, very happy with it. Not going to say it doesn't work, but we will just take it on the chin with this one. But gold, I must say, still looking very, very good for me.
Keeks, would you say you need to be a mechanic to trade a mechanical strategy. Listen, more aggressively, if this 5 minutes closes bearish above 24.45, are we gonna have buy stops on the weekly high? Expecting that pop. Because I told the guys when you left, I said I'm expecting more or less the same thing to happen, which happened yesterday with you.
For me, what I will say I expect is if we can get a close over this, like I said, this would have just been that retest.
Yeah.
If this fails, obviously we already were bearish, but still above it. Once we get a closure underneath that S1, I think DXY is gone.
Well, what is that DXY?
That's DXY. That's that retest back on the monthly S1. If we fail at the retest and come bearish again, that's this year. There we go. There's that rejection, and that's that pullback, rejection, and DXY is gone as off. So
hey, Kalen, you're wrong for that. Mechanics being audited. Sometimes when I feel sad, I think there's somebody else getting audited. Okay, Chad. I don't know about Keeks, but if this berry, but now it's going bulele. Yes, bro. Gold is gonna rip some guys today. All I'm saying is, you are gonna see some sad stories with guys trying to sell into gold. Okay. Sorry, Kicks. I don't want to hijack your stream here.
No, bro.
24.45 chat. If this closes bearish like this and we get a tiny little bottom wick, I just don't want it to push up straight. Like just even a little nipple, a little nip and tip, and then I'm gonna have a buy stop there.
You just leave the nip and tip there.
Ooh, but it needs to stay above this 24.45 chat. Needs to stay above 23 seconds. 23 seconds. Don't forget your buy stop here, guys. Please don't forget, like, Kicks just remind me as well, because that buy stop is just chilling there with no stop loss or anything.
That's
4 seconds. 4 seconds.
There,
okay, nothing here for me, Chad. Nothing there. Back to you, Kicks. Now I'm actually gonna you know what? I'm gonna set the stops on that thing, because I've forgotten about trades before doing this, and it's a sad story if you forget it. It's like, oh, that thing was up 100 pips. I didn't see it. I was sleeping. Okay, 24.59.
Yo, that's. Gold seems to be backing all of a sudden, bro. On the higher time frame, like this 15 minute looks like it hit a bit of a brick wall. Like it took off and then nothing, bro.
No, that thing is ready to.
No, I'm not saying it's not. I'm just saying right now, if you're looking at it on the 15, bro.
That thing is. Shoof.
Keegs, you know Curtal in Discord? No.
Curtelio.
Am I meant to know the person?
Kan die werk sien Oanda is te koop vir hoeveel? Yes, bro, this is so aggressive, but it's we have to be aggressive. This thing is ready to.
Oh, there we go.
Choo. Now I'm getting nervous because it's like we're buying all-time highs. Chad, listen here. If you play this game at all-time highs, just get ready. Just get ready. You don't have to play this game with us. Okay? You don't have to play this game with us. You can do it, Chris, Linden. You've watched too much streams here.
Oh, guys are saying that there looks like Nas is having that rejection. It tried at Asia highs, still couldn't break Asia highs, and now melting off after that R1.
Ooh. Nas did a number on the boys. Jeez. Louise.
So US30 and gold are the two playmakers here.
Keegs, are we going with a little aggressive here?
Be aggressive. Be aggressive.
Sheesh. Sheesh, there we go, Chad. Okay. So we've got the buy stops at all-time highs. That's chilling there.
Because I blocked all the scam accounts and suddenly got a friend request from him after. But nah, no clue who it is, brother.
Do we have €1 billion? No way, man.
Yo.
That is Silkunda.
That's right.
I don't even think Owanda is worth that because Owanda is only in the US, if I'm not mistaken. Jeez.
That is rough.
Yo. Okay, Keegs, are you taking it with me? Yeah, 5 minutes. 5 minutes.
5 minutes.
No.
Yeah, no, I'm not taking that, bro. That I'm not taking.
Really?
No.
Huh? What is that, Rock? Is that US30?
That's US30, bro. But
Whoa. What are you? Yeah, no, my feet are also sore.
bro, we need to get like those midgets for like those Thai feet massages.
But listen to that, they suck your toe as well at the end, like after they've filed your feet and stuff.
Nah, bro, she does like some funny magic trick. Like she poured a tea on it,
Yeah,
and then literally like rubbed it in,
yeah,
and then a dry.
yeah. I thought she was saying saki, and I thought like the Chinese tea, and I said no sake for me. And then I thought it was like the owner, Saki van der Westhuizen. And she was actually talking about my toe, like Saki, the big toe.
I can see the misunderstanding, yeah.
I was like, no, my feet are way too ticklish. All right, did you unmute there?
Did you?
No. Oh, is it? It was never muted. You were not muted the whole time. Ah, damn.
Damn, bro. I think that might have been awkward now.
All right, Chris, what is that? Hey, Chad, I'm kidding with you guys. Take it easy. Take it easy.
These little tigers out here.
Alec Jackson. It sounds X-rated. Alec Jackson, I don't know. I don't know if you're really a pastor, but if you are a pastor, I wanted to do a video where it's maybe somebody in a bikini, and then I wanted to do like a slap to say like, you need to find God or something. But I thought like, nah, it's too much.
Too much.
Some of my hardcore Christian friends will come out and
They'll come for you, bro.
and bash me. No, they will bash me. They'll hit me with Malachi 10 verse 10. And Chris, before you do stuff like that, you need to tithe, my brother. You need to be tithing. I feel like that's the main message you get with these newer churches, these mega churches. It's like the money is a big thing. It's like, that tithe, my brother. You can do everything but the tithe. That tithe is holy.
You're asking a lot then, bro.
Gotta open up those bank accounts. Hey, you guys are naughty. Just Oanda, where did you guys see this? Yes, I want to show
I was gonna say, where do you see places like Oanda for sale?
Yeah, with that very off-putting when that is the main reason for a service. Wait, did I miss anything yet, Chad?
Bro, what happened that
Wait,
Gold
what
selling off.
did Chad say? Yes, I won't mention names, but that's all you hear.
About what?
I don't know. Chad
What are
said
we
something
talking
about
about?
very off-putting when that is the main. Oh, for service, yeah, for the church, yeah. Chad, it's
Bro, everything. Just take a look at everything. Like gold's now selling, NASDAQ's dumping, and US30 is like a rocket, bro.
US30 said, "Hold onto my beer. I'm going. But we did talk about this though over on Sunday. Remember we said
Yeah.
NASDAQ looking a little bit ugly, US30 looking clean. FinanceMagnets.com, beautiful. Let me have a look here. Yeah, Chad. Churches these days is incredible. It's you're gonna learn how to be good in business. You're gonna learn how to look good, fashion, all of that. The word is just a side piece. The word of God is just something on the side. You just sprinkle it on. It's just a nice little accessory. It's not the main thing. Okay, let's see. Chad, maybe drop the link. Okay, you guys can't drop a link. 2 billion finance magnets.
That is aggressive.
Bro, but if they were global, let's just see. It's up for sale. Let's see their volume.
Guys, again, please check your emails. There's maintenance on Vault Funder at the moment.
Okay, 100,000 active traders. That's big. So that's almost like they've got. It is expected to generate 175 in this year, which will be a record. But they're up for 2 billion. Wait, where did you guys see 2 billion? A full partial sale at a valuation. No. Where's is Fubs here? Fubs, how do you evaluate a financial firm like a brokerage? Because I know some firms you take like monthly revenue times 4, some you take times 12. But for brokerage, what do you think is a good standard? Is Fubs here? Because if they're doing $175 million and that's their record, and that is at a multiple of, let's go 2,000 divided by 175. Okay, so that's at a 11.4 multiple. So I don't know if it's okay, no, but sorry, that's a 11.4 multiple on the annual revenue. And it's revenue. It's not even net profit. No. I would say overvalued. I would say overvalued unless there's Fabs. I'm not how they would value something like that. Maybe they would use a DCF method, discount for cash method. Is that what you're referring to? Interesting chat. I wouldn't pay that for brokerage. Rwanda, I don't know. Okay, I'm saying no. I think but also saying that there goes Elon a couple of years ago forking out $47 billion for a company that, as he bought it, valuation was chopped in half. So discounted cash flow runs. No, I want to cry actually. Trade with our partner prop firm. Who's this Nightbot spamming the chat here? Moderators, can you guys just deal with Nightbot? Rocket X for sale. Where's Rocket X for sale? I'll buy Rocket X.
Bro, what's the name? You didn't take your gold trade the other day.
No. Why?
I'm asking.
No, there's nothing I can take now. US30 is projectiling. Chad, yeah, so if you go and you look at US30, so you see what happened here at all-time highs. Let me just go to my screen quickly. You see what happened here at all-time highs. So this is on a daily chart. This is what I'm expecting from gold once we hit that level. This is what I'm expecting. There was all-time highs. And I'm expecting something like this. You check this. This is what I'm expecting. That's why I've got these buy stops there. And this is playing it safe, but you're gonna see this happening once gold hits that all-time high levels. Because how it works is there's algos that are literally sitting on cash. That is ready. As soon as these levels get pierced, those algos are gonna dump the market. Not dump in the sense of dumping it down. They're gonna throw cash into this thing. So NASDAQ chopping down, US30 going up, dollar.
No, US30 is going crazy,
Hey, bro, this is a day where a lot of traders, if you haven't been around the block, you question a lot of things, Keeks. This is the day where you sit down tonight and your wife.
You just like, I don't know what's going on.
Your wife is like, "Hey, honey, are you alright?" And it's like, what are you thinking about? No. Just how the correlations are so messed up at this stage. NAS down, US30 up, DXY up, gold up. Yeah, honey, no, I'm fine. I'm good. Chad, Noah Jason was one of the ones who sold on gold. Check his new post. That is sold. Okay. Chad, again, I don't say this to boast or anything. This is where experience comes in, seeing a lot of price action, seeing a lot of chart time in front of your eyes, where if there's one thing that I learned the hard way is price discovery. If you've been with me for the last 12 months, 13 months, the one thing that I always tell anyone is never to sell what do we never sell, Keegan?
All-time highs.
Okay.
Well, the highs.
There you go. That guy has no ideas. Andrew, I love it. Neil, Chris, let's buy a hand and we do a voiceover. So whenever customers talk to the support team, they hear Darth Vader. Yes, Neil, if we had that type of money, I don't know, my bro. I don't know. I don't think we will be sitting here. So funny, whenever traders see a new record, right, let's start selling. Yes, bro, it's weird. And we've talked about it. Keek, somebody sniped my checklist. Can I just have yours
Your
there?
checklist.
Yeah, somebody
Are you
sniped.
sure you didn't?
No, somebody sniped it out of the office. I had made mine staple. Somebody sniped it.
Are you sure about that?
Ed, no shame if you sniped it. You have it. You have it. It was shared in project. I know. Ed looked at it and he was like, "Bro, what are these cheat codes? Yeah, are these the cheat codes to many years of profitability?" Chat. So, 4 principles shared couple of streams ago, maybe 10, 20 back. A trend has a higher probability of continuation than reversal. Trends end in a climax. The market alternates between range expansion and range contraction. Momentum precedes price. Then this morning, buy the first pullback after a new high. Sell the first rally after a new low. Bro, I know Ed has got it. Ed, may the profitability rest on your shoulders, my brother. May the levels of success that you reach, Ed, actually bore you. May success become boring for you, my brother. That is what I wish for each and every one of you, but mostly for Ed. Ed, may the success honestly just overwhelm you. And what I'll do is Thursday I'll apologize because somewhere I'm going to find the cheat sheet. Nah, bro, there's no way. Yes, okay, Ed.
Okay, don't worry about Thursday, guys. He's going to be apologizing now.
Chad, what? Yeah, Keeks, there's yours. Ed, okay, I'm not going to apologize for blessing you and speaking that favor over your life. But I found my cheat sheet. I found it. So Ed, I do apologize. Actually, what I'll do is this specific one, Ed, this one here, I'm going to give to you on Thursday. So please come and get it out of my office, Ed. This specific one, this one carries weight. This one has got some of the pastors would say anointing. The anointing. The prophet anointing. PROFIT. Prophet anointing. Rest upon the sheep. Alrighty, Chad. Let's check here. YouTube is not receiving enough video to maintain smooth streaming. As such, viewers will experience buffering.
What did you do now, bro?
No, I didn't do anything, my bro. It's like... Alright. Okay, Chad, we're going back for the retest. I'm just going to switch over to my screen here quickly. Can you guys still see us and hear us? Up, off, link, square. Alright, there we go. Cheat codes. Time to short gold. Approaching high made on May and trading within rising. Conrad crypto, man. Don't joke with me. Did Conrad really? No, man, Conrad. No, Conrad saying time to short gold! Exclamation. Sure. Conrad. Alrighty, Conrad.
Oh, DXY is coming back into the fight here, bro. That S1.
Hey, alleen, ja, my maag is terrible. Hy kon van die band. Psalm 133 verse 1. It is like precious oil poured on the head, running down on the beard. There you go, Chad. Keegs, you know what? Chad, who would listen to a voiceover of the Bible if I read it, Keegs? But before I do the voiceover, I will drink like a lot of rooibos tea and honey because it actually smooths out your voice. Like very... Sure, Chad, you guys will feel that anointing through that voiceover.
Man, it's going to go all in here, Chad.
Funny thing with trading is a person won't understand the same words and advice as a new trader as one would after years of practical losing. Tristan, that is true, my brother. It is once you've gotten clapped multiple times against your head. That is when you say at one stage, okay, listen here, I'm a mess. Maybe it's time for me to take some of this advice and not be a complete idiot.
That's the realization, bro.
That's
the
that
real
ego.
moment.
It's the ego. Chad, I'm waiting here. This is my zone. This is my zone. I haven't seen Conrad Crypto yet, but Conrad Crypto, I love it. DXY, finding a local support level. I love it. There's a monthly S1 here.
As I say, guys, DX1 fighting back there. That monthly S1 not giving up yet.
Nope.
That thing's still fighting there, bro.
Me, hands down, chocolate milk. Where are we now? Chocolate milk. Send a signal, we'll track it for you. Chris reminds me of Mike Johnson of the GOP. Who's Mike Johnson? Mike Johnson, GOP. Government of the people. Hey bro, why do I feel like Mike Johnson?
I'll say Mark Johnson.
Is it this brother? Yeah. Is it this guy? Mike Johnson. Louisiana politician. We're gonna give him that hawk, yeah, baby. Is he talking about this guy? I would listen to your Bible voice over drink milk for your voice. Drink chocolate milk. Chris loves all the cryptos. Amen. You know somebody means business when they in their handle it's like Crypto Dan or Crypto Chris. Speaker of the House, USA. Alright, I've never heard him. I've never heard him speak. All I know is Thursday. I don't think myself or Keegan has really sat down. Like Ed, we worked out the schedule, and it's like, okay, this is the schedule, and we sat in a specific office, and we said we need to realize that at no stage that we say it's going to be easy streaming for 24 hours.
Yeah.
Like there's going to come a time where you're going to grind. You are going to...
It's not going to be fun, bro. Then become a little bit of a sweatshop.
There's going to come a time where things are going to be tough and rough, and we're really gonna dig deep. And you know when that is when we're gonna start streaming the Asia session, and I look across and Keegan looks like his eyes are bloodshot and they're like squinty, and he looks at me, and that's when I know we are now in the trenches. This is me and Keegan and Jeff. But Jeff is gonna be rested. He's gonna sleep. We've driving him in.
So man's just gonna rock up and be like, "Yeah, guys,
fresh,
let's
go him and Ed." And that is where me and Keegan are gonna be.
Yeah, we're gonna be like boys.
Bro, I can already see it in my spiritual eye. I see Thursday morning, 3:00. But here's my thing. I think you also like me. We too stubborn we won't tap out.
No.
I won't tap out. I will. Chad, that's one thing about me. I cannot give up. It is just physically not in me to give up. I cannot. It's I don't know, sometimes it's a blessing, sometimes it's a curse, but
nah, can't give up, bro.
You can't, bro. You can never. It's like you'll rather die than give up. Chris, you are long-winded. Keegan sounds like he's shy to speak.
What?
No, bro. Keegan I'm holding him back here. I'm holding the man back here.
What does long-winded mean?
I can drag a story, like I really drag it.
Okay.
Keeks, can you check DXY on the 4 hour? Let me just throw on Keegan's screen.
DXY on the 4 hour. Yeah, I mean, honestly, right now, brother, it hasn't really confirmed much. You obviously have traded Bullish breaking down. So the first thing we're going to take note of, as we spoke about, technically you have held that low. Now traded back up. But the big thing I said is literally this candle is what we need to wait to see close. Because at this point in time, you are breaking lower. So this can be the pullback. But obviously, us doing this now, showing a little bit of momentum, taking out basically these little highs the whole time. If we get a close back above that S1, that's what we're talking about, then you can get a retest and hold that S1. you start looking very, very much bullish now for a bit of a comeback. Because when we talk about the daily, understanding that we have melted off quite a bit, we obviously do allow even, I'd say, just pull back before you really are saying you bullish. So even something like that, remember, all the way to the 104, 165, dollar's still bearish. But that does mean for now, Monday, Tuesday, there's that chance of dollar strength. So yeah, it's right now, unfortunately, you can't really say anything. Like this candle right now in the 4 hour specifically actually needs to close to give us some type of confirmation.
Would I consider buys at these levels? I've got buy stops at the all-time highs, so I'm definitely considering buys here. I am just waiting. So coming back to gold quickly here is the only thing is we've tested this upper half round number, but we haven't tested this one yet, and we also haven't tested the previous daily high. I'm not saying we have to test it, but I'm not gonna force anything in this zone unless I really like what I'm seeing. And yeah, if we can potentially pull back here, I'll consider it there. Otherwise, I've got my buy stops here. I will keep them till, I would say, tonight round about 8 o'clock. If we have not triggered by then, I will forget that idea. Going into the session, if we can get a nice pullback into this zone here, I will look for something similar to what we took here this morning. Yeah. So this morning's trade, I'm talking nonsense. This morning's trade was here. So remember, I said, if you weren't in the London session, I said I'm not buying this. This was not a test for me on the monthly R2. This I also said is not a test. Why? Because it broke below. This is not a test. A test is when it tests a level. This is a test. This here is a break below and a close back above. So this is technically a fake out. But this for me is a test. So that is why shortly after the stream crashed here somewhere. Actually here. And by the time we got this close, bullish engulfing, holding that level, it was very simple for me to have a buy stop, and it was signaled to all of the members in G's chat. Had a buy stop there. Stop loss was just below that low there, 25 pips, and the target was here. Previous daily high, as I mentioned, that is most likely where you will go. And yeah, that was the trade. Nice and simple, nice and easy. And thinking we could get the same here. Otherwise, I'm gonna look for something here. I'm super bullish on gold, chat. If you didn't know that by now, I am super bullish. I've been saying this since Sunday. I have been talking about this for weeks. If you've been taking notes, if you go on a weekly chart and you've been taking notes of what we've been talking about on a weekly perspective, you would know exactly what we are referring to, what we are expecting. So do not come a little bit later in the week and say, oh, I've been trying to sell gold, this and that. Like, it's a big no for me. Sound is good on my side, Neil. No sound. 1 2 1 2. Keys your view on it helped a lot. Market seems sideways today. Sideways. All right. Sorry, it's in Dorbo. Eleanor wants you to stream alone, Keeks.
Oh, did you say it again?
No. I just remember now. I was saying it was in Tor CEO, but it was in Dorbo. Yeah. Alec Jackson, weird question. Where are you a pastor? think Alex Jackson could be a pastor at Ministry of Prophets. See what I did there? Ministry of Prophets. Shish. Lenasia, south of Joburg. Okay. No, massive respect to pastors. Massive respect. I think it could be one of the most difficult jobs, working with people. Because people are volatile. The Bible says the heart is deceitful above all else. Who can know it? Alright, here we go with gold. Let's see here. The lens. What about the lens? There's a place in Lenasia that makes some lacquer dagwoods. Alright, Jared saying Lenasia, place of the dagwood. If it was biblical times, Lenasia would not be Lenasia. It would be called the place of the dagwood. That's what they did in biblical times, Chad. A place was named for its characteristics. People were also called names that had a lot of meaning, believe it or not. Tuesday's trading, give a wild prediction for the ultimate trader. What percentage gains do you think the top guy out of all teams will have? Could it be something? No. Yeah, here's my thing. If you play it smart with the top trader, it's 6 weeks. And I want to say your first goal is, if you get funded within that 6 weeks, you already put yourself way ahead of the rest. Then secondly, after you get funded, then obviously it's going to go about the percentage gain. But
yeah.
Chris, what lot size are you trading on gold this morning? You said it never changes. I was just curious. Lily, 3.5. Come on, gold, just go to R2 already. Yes. It's the best feeling ever. Can impart knowledge? Yes. Scammers are relentless on Discord. Hey, no lanes in Lenasia. It's Lenasia, Chris. No, man, Kaylan. I didn't say lens. I said Lenasia. Oh, man. Come on, Kaylan. Stop it. The AK and lens is the best. Chris saying it in Afrikaans way. Lenasia. I'm not used to that. Chris, wat sou jou stop loss wees op daai buy stop? Ruche, my stop loss is 30 pips, young man. It is a 30 pip stop loss. It's quite a wide stop for a big trade. Chris, what is the payment method of the donation? Alec, so we're going to chat to our web developer. Hopefully what he can do is, we were talking about it, there's going to be, I hope he can. I really hope he can. And I think if I push him, he will be able to do it for us. But if you go onto the 2G's website, at shop, we're going to actually give you the ability to buy a blanket. There's going to be a blanket there for 40 Rand. So you can buy 1, 2, 3, 4, whatever. And then also what you can do is everyone that bought a blanket can actually tag us. And then we'll make sure that we pull bank statements. We'll post everything on. So we want to make it as transparent as possible. That's the one way. It's the better way because here's the thing with YouTube. YouTube takes 30% of every dollar you make. So, for instance, when you guys give a donation, let's say you give a 10 Rand donation, only 7 Rand comes to the creator. The 3 Rand goes to YouTube. So that's why I'm saying it's almost better if we go this route, because then we're only losing out about 2.5%, if I'm not mistaken. That's what the PSPs charge us per transaction. Or you can just go on here, thereby the show your support, that little dollar sign with either super chat or super sticker. Keeks, you wouldn't take gold, yeah? You wouldn't be aggressive, yeah? No.
Thing is, I'm watching it now, bro. But honestly,
you're chalked.
Time wise, I don't like trading at this time past it now. There's still quite a bit of manipulation that can come in, but personally, as I said, DXY coming back. DXY is holding that monthly S1 now.
30 young American pups, yeah, Richay. We pipping and ripping. And then on Thursday, you guys will be tipping for the blanket drive. Chad, I'm putting it out there in the universe. I'm manifesting it. 1,000 blankets. 1,000. This morning when I woke up, last night, I'm laying in bed. I'm like, all right, how many blankets? And I'm thinking 100. And I'm like, yo, why do we minimize 100 blankets? Like, I can go and buy 100 blankets now. What am I talking about? 100 blankets. And then I was like, at least 1,000 blankets. God, we're putting it out big there. 1,000. And if I've got your cell number and I know you've got money, you better be. I'm exposing you on Thursday. I'm phoning you. I'm putting you on speaker. And I'm going to ask you to pledge right there. So if you've got money and you know I've got your number, you better not be at your phone. I can promise you now. I'm promising you, there's not that. Think about it, no. What? Did you say 20,000 Rand? Double it, 40K. No, Chad, you're going to see, might even go to 5,000 blankets. Did Michla Rono do a withdrawal? I don't see them on the... Yes, there were 4 withdrawals last week. 4 withdrawals. I will buy 20. There we go. Ruchay Channing het gesê, Ruchay, moenie eers 'n ou wat so baie brandewyn drink, wil ek nie eers stories hoor van ek gooi 1 kombers nie. Ruchay is gonna buy blankets, Chad. I promise you. You guys should get a little person to trade with you, then be the new 2.5 men.
I'm all word.
I hope this happens on stream this year. I hope this happens on stream. Have you ever seen it, Keeks? A capitulation move.
I've seen a few, bro.
Previous daily low. Look at that, Chad. Here we go. Here we go, Chad. Here we go. This could be a very cool story for IG, or it can be a very, very sad story. Could be a little coop coop. Chris, I told you it's selling. Stefan Grobler, I will pledge 3,000. Look at that, chat already. Beautiful, Stefan. Chad, also what I will do is, and hopefully we can do that, is everyone's name, or everyone, even if you bought 1 blanket, I'm thinking about it now, is I want you guys, I'll think about it now, I want you guys to send me just a photo. And almost like what they did with the Springbok jerseys. And we're gonna print a collage of everyone's photo, everyone that pledged, even if you bought one blanket, and that will go up in the studio. We will get everybody's photos, and that will be the first. The Keegs, I would say this is the first initiative we're doing.
Yeah.
In terms of giving back. So I think that's a cool idea. The photo, I don't know if Mo's listening. He only listens when he wants to. He's like my children.
Man is
Photos.
waiting here for that trade, bro.
You can shoot if you want.
I'm gonna give it a little bit to see. Then I'm probably gonna
I don't
shoot.
have a lot of money. Please send me your account. I'll make payment now. No, wait, Alec. We wanna.
I was gonna be on the stream, brother.
We wanna. Let's keep it for the
'Cause
stream.
We know literally all the money that comes in on that day is for the donations.
Let's keep it for Thursday. I think it's just a different, like Keegan said, a different. Maar is net 1000 het Chris gesê, so dis seker al 1000 Richie. Crystal unable to buy. Stefan, ek gaan met jou chat na die tyd. Daar's net iets waar ons moet chat. Chom. Ek gaan vir jou e-mail vanaand gou stuur. I created a to-do list for the 24 link in the doc, added task for my own team. Shot Ed. Yeah, just that photo. I really wanna honor everybody, big or small. So it's not like, oh, this guy gave 40k, he's getting a big photo, and this guy's getting a small photo.
Byron literally made 4 bar last month. Send him an invoice, Chris.
Who's Brian? Did he make 4 bar?
Yeah, Brian then in the chat.
Oh really? Brion. 1000 blankets is TP1. Yes, Kaylin, I love it. There we go, Keeks. So every 1000 blankets is a TP. Chad, I'm putting it out here. I don't know how much Keegan is going to give. I am pledging 10,000 now already. I'm kicking off the pledge with 10k. Okay, there's my... What's that? Did Caitlin say you're not allowed to... Or Caitlin said no pledging. She said charity starts at home. She said she's charity. Wait, did Keeks say he's giving his entire CPR? Yeah, Keeks, what a ledge. 50k from Keeks. Hoi! Keeks starting us off with a young 50. Ed, I don't know, bro. I don't know if there is a way... I'm thinking now if there's a way to do like a online yeah, Ed, I wanna check tonight. Keeks, imagine you can link it to, for instance, the bank account. Every time a transaction hits, like it gives a pop out, or yeah, we'll think about it.
Yeah, guys, I'm not taking a trade.
I'm deleting that. Here's the thing. As much as I know, you guys can take a screenshot. I'm deleting this. As much as I expect a capitulation move to happen here, it's also a sense of, do I want to be in a trade when I'm maybe driving on my way home? So yeah.
Yeah, I was gonna say that's it. Are you gonna finish another, bro?
No, I'm done. Okay, Chad, it's just gonna be cool to at least say I did say that. So if you've got a, yeah, I'm not gonna, anyways. Yeah, I'm gonna, no. I'm not even putting the lights off here, Chad.
All right, you ready to call it, brother?
Yeah, you can. Do you want to go full screen, Chad?
We can go full screen.
Okay, no, I'm not gonna go full screen because.
Yes.
How was that? Do we have a separate light?
No, our lights create everything. Oh.
Oh, okay. Okay, no. We ready to go.
Alright, so we're waiting on you there, brother.
Oh no, are you waiting for me? No. It's you. Oh yeah, Chad. Okay. Oh yeah, you finished off last, Chad. Thank you so much. Obviously, big one on Thursday is the blanket drive. Something that is set on my heart, and maybe it's not just blankets, Chad. I don't know how well it's gonna go or not, but at the end of the day, even if we give whatever amount, I do think it's more blessed to give than to receive. So looking forward to it, and please don't feel obliged to give anything, Chad. If you're not in the position to give, please don't impoverish yourself. Or anyways, my English is done for the day, but imagine 24 hours. But yeah, Chad, really appreciate it. Really appreciate all the support from you guys and everyone in the community. Beautiful day today. Nice TP hit this morning. And no trades here this afternoon, but thanks so much. And then Keegan will finesse us for the rest.
Again, guys, the R&D trade taking a loss today, so that is our first one for the week. Like a full loss, if we want to call it that. Again, gold just for me personally, doing what we wanted, but then again, nowhere I really wanted to take any trades from, so not too happy with the price action on it today. So that was just from my side. But again, Tuesday, not going to force anything. We got like a long week. I mean, especially 24-hour stream coming up, very long week. But it's definitely going to be a big one. There's a lot of effort going in behind the scenes, guys. I know even tomorrow I'll probably be on and off quite a bit of the stream as we're starting to get the studio ready, literally put together tomorrow. So it is going to be a big one. It's going to be busy. But yeah, very excited for Thursday. I think you guys are going to love it. There's a lot packed in there for you guys. So other than that, guys, we're going to see you on tomorrow. Peace and love, baby. Again, take care of yourself, take care of each other, and we'll see you tomorrow. Cheers, Chad.
Of your good side, I start wondering how I could make it last a little longer. Say you wanna fix our problems. How long should I be waiting? Feels like I've had too much of drama, but I'm not ready to give in. Baby, all I really want but I am safe and I am warm. Although it's hard, I know I gotta keep up, no time to lay to drift away. I find my space, I spend my time down the rabbit hole again, and as I fall I can feel the pain. You can't tell me where to go, so I don't know, I just go with the flow.